and welcome to my channel. In this video you'll learn to make a wall hanging, and for that we require newspaper, aluminium foil and some glass colors. So this wall hanging is gonna give a slight resemblance of Meenakari painting. So I really hope that you're going to like this video. Do like and share my videos and do hit notification bell icon.
Where the only focus is me and weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding on in the ocean. Where the only focus is me and weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding on in the ocean.
So this is the first look of the wall hanging, which has the base white, and this is how it looks. And this is the second look, which has the base golden, and I am also using this highlighter which is in golden color. So I really hope that you're going to try this, and if you do share pictures with me on my Instagram account or on my email ID. Link will be in the description box. So thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel.